Jingle Jelly TV. Hello kids. Today we will learn the numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's start.
Do you know which number is this? This is number 1. Can you remember any number 1 object? It's a pencil. What is the name of this animal? It's kangaroo. Yes, and there is only one kangaroo. Kangaroo is happy.
This is number 2. Can you find out the shape like number 2? Yes, it is the duck. How many apples are there? Yes, 1 and 2.
This is number 3. The 3 is similar with which number? Yes, you find it out. Very good. Tell me how many pugs you can see on the picture. Write the answer in comment box.
This is our number 4. So, can you tell me any similar object like number 4? Yes, it's the yacht over there. Very good. Well done.
How many watermelon you can see in the picture? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. This is our number 5. So, can you find out the number 5 in the picture? Yes, it is the crane head.
1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We remove all the worms from the apples. They all are healthy now. You can eat all of the apples. Well done. They are happy now.
Which number you can find out in the whiteboard? Yes, it is the number 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is number 7. Let's attach the number 7 on the board.
Count the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7.
This is our number 8. So, attach the 8 on the board. Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.
Number 9. So, attach the 9.
Can you find out 9 butterflies over there? Write your reply in the comment box. This is number 10, the last number for today.
Let's find out how many animals are there. 1. Start with the monkey. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Today we learned 1 to 10 in Jingle Jelly class. So if you want more video like this, so click on the like and subscribe button. And also don't forget to click on the bell